So you're getting checked in, or you're checking people in to your event, and you're so excited that they're there. They are as well. They are so excited. They're probably more excited than you are because you've had to do so much work to get to this point. So let's not lose momentum. Make sure you are blowing your prospects, your participants away when they get to your event. Every opportunity is an opportunity to wow them. So what can you do? What can you do to blow your participants away? To show them how much you appreciate them, how much you want to take care of them. See, one thing, swag is amazing. It is such a game changer when it comes to your event. How are you using swag to differentiate yourself from every other event out there? Because you can. People love getting stuff. I remember I was at an event, I was checking in, and they gave me this bag. And I was like, awesome, a bag. Then I unzipped the bag. It was like a backpack bag, not just like a bag, right? So I unzipped the bag, I opened it up, looked inside. There was the guide to the event. There was some additional coupons and flyers about other sponsors and things like that. There were some snacks in there. There was a t-shirt with the logo, with all the stuff about the event. This bag did a couple things. One, made me feel so special, made me feel appreciated, made me feel like I'm getting something tangible for my investment in the event. One of the awesome things about swag is it is a tangible asset. It's a tangible thing that your clients can use. They get to hold, they get to have it. So make sure you're using that. So I opened this bag, I get all this stuff, and it's like, holy cow. They really care. They really want me to have everything I need to make this experience awesome. Some stuff they had in there is like a little chapstick balls with the logo of the event on it. How awesome is that? So you get chapstick, you get, I know there were some granola bars and stuff like that. There was hand sanitizer, which hand sanitizer is an awesome tchotchke to give away at your event because everybody needs it. Everybody should constantly be washing their hands at an event when you're meeting tons of other people. So give them a way to do that. So I want you to realize that at your event, you have so many ways to wow, to really show your appreciation to your attendees. Don't overlook them. So swag's one way. Another way is getting them involved. Like you could literally, we've all been to those events where they have a spinning wheel, like pull out a ball. Hey, XYZ, you won. Get them involved. That's a way you can wow attendees. Give away stuff. Throw t-shirts into the crowd. Throw, if it's an annual event, give a ticket to next year's event. Have a way that they can win tickets. Have a dance competition. Get them on stage and have them dancing. Everything that gets the participant engaged in your event heightens the experience for not only that participant, but all participants. Because they think, wow, I could be there. I could do that. I could win that, right? They are living vicariously through their fellow participants. So I want to encourage you, as you're putting on your events, as you're putting them together, make sure you are focused on how do I wow? How do I wow them? And there are so many ways you can do it. So many different things you can do that set yourself apart as a company and as an event host. Because here's the thing, there's tons of events out there. Tons. Literally thousands every single week. All over the US, all over the world. So you have to figure out, how am I going to stick out? If it's just another conference, you won't have the repeat attendees that you need, that you want, and that they need. Because here's the thing with learning. We forget what we learn, and then we got to learn it over. That's why you can go to the exact same movie 10 times and catch something different. You can go through the same course 10 times and learn something every time because you are in a different place. Same with your attendees. So we've got to create this experience that they love, that makes them want to come back again and again and again. So I want to encourage you, wow your attendees. Provide a massive amount of value. Make it so they can't wait for next year. And that is how you will continually grow your event year after year after year. So if you found this helpful, you want other tips like this, I want to invite you to the Live Events Launchpad. We're doing a virtual event all about how to put on profitable, life-changing events. So I hope to see you there. There's a link somewhere around here. Go ahead and click it. Get signed up for the Live Events Launchpad. And we will talk to you soon.